and start
Oh
enjoying life.
boy, let's cause a big scene about the little bus signs by atheists. Yeah, well, it's okay for other religions to post ads on there, to have Christian Christmas things all over buses, but as soon as a different person with different beliefs scratches together enough money to put up signs on the bus, everyone's like, oh no, look at that bus, it says there might not be a God, oh, stop worrying, and stuff like that. And I don't think anyone who believes in Lord Jesus will see the bus drive by and be like, oh, he's not real? Oh, well, I better skip church this week then. If it's not, better go out and party and go to a rave and do lots of crack cocaine. No. People who believe in Jesus usually have some sort of a rational belief in him, and they're pretty adamant about sticking to it, as they probably should be, because that's what they learn every week when they go to church and have have the priest, preacher, reverend, whatever have you, the rabbi, going on and on about the power of faith and how great faith is and blah blah blah. So they've got pretty iron will. They've got they got it through their heads that God's real, Jesus is real, all the rules are real, everything's real. He's watching you all the time, and they shouldn't feel threatened by atheists or anything. They should just feel bad for them, really, because they're pretty. They're usually self-righteous people, and the atheists to them are just, branded sheep and marked people, and yeah, if they want to advertise things on the bus, they shouldn't worry anyone. They should have, freedom of expression, freedom to do what you like. It's not a scary thing. I'm sure if there was a God, he wouldn't really care. It's like, oh, I'm pretty busy, I don't care what they put on buses, and they, doesn't make atheists a bad person either. They're just, they think differently. They all watch the same TV shows, though, probably, though, and, view all the same things on YouTube. Like, I don't really care what you believe in as long as you don't talk about it too often to me, because I'll get annoyed. Bye!